Alright guys, we're going fishing in the creek. I found a fish. I've never found a fish in this creek. You see how shallow it is? Oh, I'm gonna start fishing. Oh, I found him. He's got to be down here. Oh, there he is. Alright, we got him, guys. That's awesome. I have no idea what he is. But you know what? That's awesome. Mud. I'm gonna call him Muddy. Muddy my fish. That's so cool. I hope he makes it. I kind of got this little dam set up, so he has all kinds of leaves but he's stuck in between the two dams. But I made this just a couple weeks ago, and yeah, you can see him down there. Comment and let me know what kind of fish you think he is. I did not release him, and I hope I didn't stress him out too much trying to catch him. But yeah, that's a pretty big little fish for being in this little pond. I'm not even gonna call it a pond, it's my creek. And we got it set up because he rode in that corner. But we got a couple deep pockets right here. It'd almost be better if he lived in this pocket, to be honest. See if I can help him out. We got him set up in the deeper pocket, where he can get sheltered up and hang out in here. He's got a lot of rocks and stuff. So, alright, that's Stick Time Outdoors fishing in the creek. If you have not subscribed, please do. Like this if you think this was cool. I mean, I think it was cool. I just caught a fish in my creek. But this is what I do. Peace.